Lesson 3. Becoming aware of distraction.
As we breathe, there's the tendency that our mind can wander and we can become distracted. We can think about the day's events or something that's supposed to happen in the future. Consciously, without spacing out, without getting distracted, I want you to feel each inhale and exhale. Although you do not stop breathing between the inhale and the exhale, I want you now to become aware of the gap between the two, so that slowly you can eliminate it, and slowly you can become aware that this is where you will tend to get distracted. At this point, to help you with this issue of distraction, although the bells are giving you 3-second inhales and exhales, I want you now to use your fingers to count your breaths. How many breaths are you practicing, so that later you can go back to the book relaxing into your being, and you can practice on your own the number of breaths that are recommended in the breathing lessons there, in the focus on practice boxes. But for right now, I want you to keep track of your breath, just using your mind to notice how many breaths have you taken. Beginning now, is it 1 breath, or 2 breaths, or 3 breaths? So that when you go back and listen to this lesson again, you start keeping count of how many breaths you're taking each time. Now when you breathe, you want to start becoming as well as aware of what emotions or tensions inside of you. You want to become aware, are you staying in a relaxed manner without tensing up in the present moment, not projecting into the future. Are you in the present moment you're in? And after that, I want you to feel how your breath is going through your body, easily and comfortably.